Hi, my name is Tiffany. I'm a factory representative here with Luxe Fifth Wheels. Today we are going to look at a pre-loved 48FB 2021. I do have all of that information on my website, luxefifthwheels.com, if you would like a little bit more information and more photos. Today we are going to start in the living area. You have the beautiful white L-shaped sofa, dual pane windows. We do have cabinetry up above for all of your storage needs. You have your large TV, soundbar, and fireplace. It is cold here in Indiana today. This fireplace is warming this area up for us while we're in here. You do have the booth seating. It does have storage underneath on both sides. Nice large window. We're gonna have residential appliances, double door freezer. Lots of storage in this kitchen. I have pantry storage with pull-ups. This unit does come with a dishwasher. I do have a stainless steel double bowl sink. Storage, residential oven, and your LG microwave. You have two drawers, dovetail on both sides. We also have the flip-up countertop. Extra space, extra counter space. You can do what you need with this space. We're gonna come up this way. We are gonna have all of our system controls. This unit does have solar on it. Bathroom, one-piece fiberglass, very large. Storage here, storage down here, medicine cabinet with storage in it. Onto the bedroom. We do have a large king-size bed, windows on both sides. We have adjustable reading lights. Storage. Over here, we have our large closet area. We have a hanging bar at the top and drawers on the bottom. You can access this all the way through. There are 3 doors with mirrors. Here we have the washer and dryer. And a pull-out TV. Down here we have more storage. We have lots of drawers. And we have the cabinets up above the window. We're gonna head on into the garage. Here in the garage, we do have our stereo system that will be Bluetooth, our residential fuse box at the bottom. Large garage, 16.4. They did put the foam mats down on the bottom. I have storage up top on both sides. I have the Happy Jack system, so I have the couch and the bed. This unit also comes with your AC and heat out here. I have the loft area, extra sleeping space. We do have the wine cooler in this unit, super cool. And a half bath. This half bath has a lot of storage in it, up top, down below, and behind the toilet. Have a good day. If you have any questions, you can contact any of us girls in the office, 574-848-2729, or visit us on the web, luxfifthwheels.com. Thank you.